Hey kitchen lovers, welcome back to Consumer Heaven, where smart cooks find smarter kitchen tools. Whether you're a gourmet enthusiast or just want your daily cooking to be faster, cleaner, and more precise, this video is for you. Today, we're diving into 5 of the best kitchen gadgets in 2025 that'll make your cooking easier, your meals tastier, and your life simpler. So grab your coffee and let's count them down, from number 5 to the ultimate kitchen must-have at number 1. Links to all products are in the description below, so you can check current prices or grab one for yourself. Number 5. Alpha Griller's Digital Meat Thermometer. Let's kick things off with a must-have for every kitchen and grill, the Alpha Griller's Digital Meat Thermometer. This isn't just a thermometer, it's a time saver and a dinner saver. It reads temperatures in just 2 to 3 seconds, making it ideal for steaks, turkey, candy making, or even checking oil temps when frying. Its backlit screen is large and easy to read even in the dark, and the waterproof IP67 rated body means you can wash it under running water without worry. Whether you're a grill master or just love precision cooking, this thermometer is fast, accurate, and designed to make sure your food is cooked perfectly every time. And it even comes pre-calibrated out of the box, no guesswork involved. Number 4. Kitchen Dough 2-in-1 Salad Dressing Shaker with Juicer. At number 4, we've got a clever little multitasker, the Kitchen Dough Salad Dressing Shaker with built-in citrus juicer. It's part shaker, part juicer, and all convenience. The wide dripless pourer makes mixing vinaigrettes, sauces, or fresh lemon juice mess-free and super easy. I love the anti-slip rings on the base and body. They make it stable on the counter and easy to grip even when your hands are wet. Plus, it's dishwasher safe, has built-in measurement markings, and saves you from needing extra cups or bowls. It's compact, smart, and perfect for quick homemade dressings or marinades. Number 3. Angadana Silicone Bread Sling for Dutch Ovens. Baking sourdough at home? You'll love this one. The Angadana Silicone Bread Sling is a game changer for anyone who's tried transferring delicate dough into a screaming hot Dutch oven without burning their hands. Made from high-grade Japanese BPA-free silicone, it handles up to 480 degrees Fahrenheit and is completely reusable, meaning you'll never need parchment paper again. Its extra-long, heat-resistant handles give you control and safety, and the non-stick surface makes cleanup a breeze. Perfect for beginners and pros alike, this bread sling will upgrade your baking experience instantly, and it's dishwasher safe too. Number 2. Ember Temperature Control Smart Mug 2. At number 2, we've got a high-tech upgrade to your everyday mug, the Ember Smart Mug 2. This is not your average coffee cup. It lets you set and maintain your drink's temperature between 120 degrees and 145 degrees for up to 80 minutes, or all day on the charging coaster. It auto-detects when you pour in hot liquid, goes to sleep when not in use, and connects to your phone with the Ember app if you want to customize even more. Whether you're sipping coffee at your desk or relaxing with tea, Ember keeps it just the way you like it. No more microwaving your coffee mid-meeting. It's splash-proof, hand-wash safe, and just plain cool, or rather, perfectly warm. Number 1. ToFuture Tofu Press. And finally, at number 1, the ToFuture Tofu Press. If you cook with tofu regularly, you know pressing out excess water is key to getting crispy, flavorful tofu. This UK-designed press does it cleanly, evenly, and hands-free. Just clip it shut and stick it in the fridge. No mess, no stack of heavy books, no paper towels. It fits 8 to 12-ounce tofu blocks, includes adjustable pressure levels, and has a smart container system that collects excess water without soaking the tofu. Made from BPA-free, food-safe material and certified by vegan and vegetarian societies, this press is durable, dishwasher-safe, and built to last for years. If you love tofu stir-fry or crispy tofu bites, this tool is absolutely worth it. And that wraps up our countdown of the 5 best kitchen tools you didn't know you needed. Which one would you add to your kitchen next? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget, all the featured products, tools, and early access deals are linked down in the description. Click through and shop smart with Amazon's best discounts of the year. If this video helped you out, make sure to hit that like, subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss our next breakdown of what's hot, only on Consumer Heaven. See you in the next one, and happy shopping!